Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how to fix your Freecash not working. So if Freecash works but you cannot access the sites, then you need to clear your browser cache. And in order to do that, you need to press your Control and F5 on your keyboard at once, and then your browser should be fixed. And if you can't get inside the site at all, then you need to clear your browser cookies. And the way you can do that is head over to settings, and then you're going to click on settings one more time, and then you need to click on privacy and security, and then delete browsing data. So you're going to click on cookies. You could also click on cached images and then click on delete data, just like so, and this should fix the problem for you. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.